Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a front-end Adobe Acrobat PDF editor directly in the browser. So this is the directory structure of this project. It's entirely built in HTML, CSS and JavaScript without any backend. This app directly runs in the browser. It's very easy for you. So once you purchase the source code, the link is given in the description. So you can simply run this file here and just select whatever PDF file that you need to select. After you select the PDF file, all the pages will render out. You will see that. And now you can individually select any page, and then using all these controls which are there for pencil icon, for annotating something, you can change the brush size, font size, everything. So you can even change the color as well. Then move to the next page, do the editing for you. You also have different kinds of shapes you can add. You also have ability to add text as well. So I've also deployed this application. The link is given in the description. So you can actually go to this application and try out the application yourself. So check the full description. I've given the link and repeat the same process. You simply select the PDF file that you need to edit. And again, you actually make use of the pencil icon to actually annotate anything. So you can just see here. From here you can adjust the brush size. You also have ability to add images as well. Just click and using the select icon you can actually resize the image here. Just place it wherever you need to add this. So it's similar to Adobe Acrobat, directly runs in the browser. No need for any installing any software for editing your PDF. After you make the change, you click the save button. It will download the output PDF file once you make all the changes. So if you're interested in this tool, guys, you can directly purchase it. After that, you will actually get the source code from Google Drive automatically. So you can just see here and directly using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So the link is given.